Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm very excited today because a lot of product recommendations are coming in this video, skincare edition specifically, since Nykaa summer sale is going on, and I want you guys to get all the discounts that you can have while the stock lasts. Now, why am I saying that stock up right now is because I have seen before that these kind of big discounts doesn't come again before November during the Black Friday sale. So whatever your product needs are right now, do stock up. And now let's move on into giving you product recommendations from skincare edition. We are starting with the lip balms, and the first lip balm that we are gonna go for is the Laneige lip serum. This is the recent launch, and right now you can add it to your pink summer sale cart for 1035 only. They are giving good 10% off on this. Next, in lip care, we can definitely never forget Vaseline, and this rosy lip therapy has been viral all over, and for good reasons. This is a very good product, and this is only going for 203 rupees right now. Moving on to another Laneige lip product, their glowy lip balm is everything. They have this in the lip mask too, you can buy that also. I think it's trading for around 500 rupees right now, but this is that in a tube but better, and right now it is going for 638 rupees only. Next, coming on to another lip balm. This one from Clinique is a little bit on the expensive side, but definitely a very good purchase. You can get it right now for 1955 rupees only. Generally it trades for 2300 rupees. So this was all for your lip balm. Now let's move on to your toners. So for toner, our first choice, I personally love Rice Toner, and I always recommend this in the first place in every skincare video of mine. I personally use this also, and I have it on right now. I do not use any moisturizer, just double layer of this toner, and just look at the glow this gives the skin. And amazing product this is retailing for 1568 right now for 150 ml. I think this is gonna last you around 2 to 3 months, since only 4 to 5 drops of it. So another favorite of mine is this ginseng toner from Beauty of Joseon, which is right now retailing for 1125. This helps calming in your skin. This another toner from Dot & Key. This is the glycolic super glow and watermelon toner. This is also a very nice toner. You can definitely get it. This one is from Tony Moly. This is their hyaluronic wonder toner. Amazing product, retailing for 1078 right now. Now this product is gonna last you months, so definitely investing in this toner is gonna kind of show good results on your skin. This is going to maintain the moisture barrier of your skin as well and maintain the plumpness of it. This rice water toner from Plum with 3% niacinamide is very affordable yet very effective. Right now this is retailing for around 378 rupees only. Definitely a must buy from
now
this
moving
range.
on to your serums. Another Korean recommendation, a lot of Korean products in the skincare because their skincare is just amazing, chef's kiss. But moving on, this XSY one, this glow spot correcting serum is amazing. Why? Because even if you have a kind of very deep acne scars, this is gonna help you reduce those over time, not immediately. This has to be used religiously, but definitely go for it. Right now you are only getting it for 1250, and this is gonna last you way longer than any other serum. So definitely go for this one. Again, Korean product, Cosrx, amazing product, 6 peptide skin booster. This has all the important actives which are not very irritative on your skin. This has hyaluronic, amino acids, etc. And right now only retailing for 1640 rupees. Again, rice water, again Plum, love their products. This niacinamide 5% serum has worked wonders on my face. I use this in conjunction with I am from Rice Toner, and this has gotten my skin from dull to glowing. You can just see for yourself. I have nothing else, just the toner and this serum. Please use only 5% one. The 10% one kind of irritated my skin, so I would not recommend you using 10%. Start with 5% so that you can build your strength over. Another one, Korean product Beauty of Joseon. This is their Propolis Glow Serum. This also has niacinamide and is right now retailing for 1118. This is gonna be a little bit on the expensive side since its quantity is also very low, but definitely you can invest in this one if you want to explore new serums on the market. One bonus product I want to recommend you is this Dermaco's collaboration with Dr. V. She is a US certified dermatologist and she has made this amazing serum with Dermaco. This is their exfoliating peptide serum. Now only one thing that I would recommend you is that you only use it during night, and next day whenever you are going out in the sun, please use a good SPF 50 PA++ sunscreen, otherwise you can get a little burnt on your skin. And right now this is retailing for 559 rupees only. Definitely add it to your cart. Moving on to moisturizers, and if you talk about moisturizer and not Cetaphil, it will be like a sin for us makeup community people. Cetaphil's moisturizer has been cult favorite for decades right now, and for very right reasons. This works amazing on your skin. Right now I have shown this dry to normal skin one, but if you have oily skin you can get the normal range also, the lighter range. Right now this is retailing for 555 only. Next is this CeraVe's moisturizer. Now CeraVe is this amazing European company that offers very good skincare, and I am just recommending you their smaller version of this product, which is retailing right now for 359. Just try it out for yourself if you think that yes, this is kind of suiting me a lot, but dry skin people, just close your eyes and buy this, because this has niacinamide, this has hyaluronic acid, and this has like a very thick texture that is gonna stay on your skin the whole of your day. So definitely go for this one. Next is Bioderma Atoderm. All the makeup artists get their vanity made with this first product. This is Bioderm's niacinamide moisturizer. Amazing, very good results, stays on the skin, isn't sticky at all, and gives good results. Right now retailing for 629 rupees. Next is Clinique's Moisture Surge. Again, I have recommended this in my vanity session also. Those who can afford, please go for this gel based moisturizer. This is like a godsend for oily skin, since this has a gel formula. This doesn't cause excessive oil production or sebum production, but at the same time keeps your skin fresh and plump. Right now retailing for 1913 rupees. Next is this again an Indian brand called Rikil. I hope I am correctly pronouncing it. Rikil or Rikil, whatever it is. I have personally used this moisturizer. This has ceramides and hyaluronic acids. This is gonna work wonders for your skin barrier. And right now this is retailing only for 280 rupees, and a little goes a long way. This is very good for dry to normal skin. Oily skin people, you can kind of skip it. So now moving on to your cleansers. Cetaphil, we are again for the very right reasons. Cetaphil is there in almost all the categories of skincare, and this gentle skin cleanser, I think 80% of Indian population has this. Also European population has this in their household. This cleanser is amazing. This doesn't dry your skin out at all. This is non-foaming. This doesn't have any kind of soap in it. This is why this is a kind of, I think, non-comedogenic. So this is right now retailing for 365 rupees only. Definitely get your hand on this. Another one is this simple facial refreshing wash. This is retailing for 252 rupees. Good cleanser to get your hands on. Neutrogena, again #1 face care brand in the US as it is written. Again, very good brand, $697, a little on the expensive side, but if you can get your hands on it, please do, because this is a really good. I used to use it when I was a teenager. My mom got it for me since I was starting to get acne, and since this has 2% salicylic acid, this is going to work wonders for that acne scar. Again, another salicylic acid face wash from Derma Co. This is their 2% salicylamide anti-acne face wash. Will work wonders for acne-prone skin. A very good deal, 359 rupees only. Another amazing product from CeraVe. This is their moisture balance cleanser. This is just like Cetaphil but for dry skin. This has more moisture in it. Hence, it is going to be retaining a lot of moisture in your skin. Oily skin people can kind of skip it, and this is right now retailing for 284 rupees only. Another honorable mention I want to give this daily scrub from Clean and Clear. I've been an avid user of this. Just use kind of on alternate days, and this is going to work wonders. Just gently cleanse your face with it after you wash your face. So moving on to your facial masks. Okay, so this first mask is from Innisfree, another Korean product. This is a little bit on the expensive side. It's retailing for 825 rupees only, but this is gonna go a long way. This is for declogging your pores. Oily skin people, this is God sent for you. Definitely buy this since it has volcanic clay. It's gonna suck all the sebum out of your skin. For detanning, I would recommend O3 Detan Face Pack. This is retailing for 739 rupees right now. Amazing for people who are out in the sun a lot. And all these recommendations are unisex both for male and female skin. Anyone can use this according to the problem you guys have. Now, this particular product is not in the sale, but I want to put it in my list because this is such a good product. This is their exfoliating peel from The Ordinary brand. This is retailing for 950 rupees, and if you can spare, please do buy this product. This helps you even out your uneven skin tone, gives you such a nice glow since it kind of exfoliates the upper layer that has all the dirt and grime in it. But one cautionary kind of advice to you all, only use it once a week. Do not exfoliate before it, do not exfoliate after it. Also, do not use any actives during the time you are using this peel. Actives meaning retinoids, azelaic acid, etc. All these do not use along with this peel since this is very potent, but if you use it correctly, it's going to work wonders on your skin. Moving on to Hyphen. This is their Ice Dunk face mask. Now they have kind of used a new technology wherein this mask provides the kind of effect that gets you from icing your face. I have never used this product, but this is definitely a very kind of intriguing product. If you try it, do let me know how it went. Another one, this is from Conscious Chemist. This is their soothing and calming face mask, and this kind of gives your skin that relaxation it wants. This doesn't have many actives, but this just gives a soothing effect to your skin. So I am not an avid user or I promote face sheet masks in particular because they are not good for the environment. I think they are kind of a waste because a lot of product goes into waste and one single sheet doesn't change your skin at all. But still, if you guys want a recommendation, I would recommend this Biocollagen mask from Biodance. This one mask is kind of retailing for 361 rupees right now. What you can do is, if you have an important kind of event the next day, or you didn't have time to get any kind of facial but you want still a little bit glow on your skin, you can use this the night before and definitely it's gonna help you with some temporary glow.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you liked my product recommendations, and if there is any other makeup or skincare or any other kind of beauty category that you want me to cover from Nykaa summer sale, do comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely make sure to include it in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.